high, bro. Yo, this shit is high, bro. Look at this.
I just wanted to be grown up, but everybody's old now, saying how they wish they were still young. Remember when I told her look back at it, then everything flashed forward, living life on a crash course. But what more could I ask for? Worry about your own life, not mine, cause that's yours. It's black ice on a crash course.
Hey yo gang, what is up? We are heading out right now and try this new 450, I think 450 or 420 sky swing. Seems pretty freaking awesome. We're gonna go check that out. It's gonna be me and my family. I'm gonna take you guys along on my second vlog ever. I hope you guys enjoy. Hey, oh, let's go. How do you feel, man? You ready for this swing, bro?
I don't know how to feel about this.
You already know me. When we go to Universal, I hate going on the freaking Doom ride. Hopefully we enjoy. Hopefully you guys enjoy the footage I'm gonna give you guys. And yeah, come on guys, let's go. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna give y'all a quick time lapse. Hope you guys enjoy. Yeah, guys, look, people are on it right now. That's how high we're gonna be. That's so freaking high, guys. It might not look high from recording, but it's freaking high. We're gonna be close up soon, and I'll show you guys a better view of it. All right, guys, we are here. Are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm excited, man. We're about to head out. We're about to go try this thing, man. Kind of nervous because I hate heights. We gotta move from these cars. All these cars are coming, trying to hit us.
I know.
Chill, 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 chill. Pretty dope. Look at that. I haven't been on that yet, though. That's pretty freaking cool. Go now, heading in. See y'all soon. Fly right there, guys. I'm excited. Pretty sure most of these people are going on that right now, too. I am, at least. They have the sea life here, too. If you're in Orlando, come check out the sea life. That's me and my wife in a few years. That's me.
Really, nigga?
Not in a few years. That's me and my wife, you know, in a while, but I just said a few years. But yeah. Yeah, we're about to go on the food court. I'll see y'all soon. Peace, y'all. Got Michael freaking Jackson right there. Look how sick this is, guys.
What the fuck is that? I'm scared.
Did he die like that? Just chilling? I don't know. People are dressed up, looking nice. We might eat here. I don't know yet. Yeah, look how nice this is, yo. See life? Check you out later. Peace. All right, guys, I'm about to buy the tickets. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, what's up, guys? What's up to the vlog? Shout out, follow my YouTube channel, subscribe. It's Two Bros with the apostrophe.
It'll be in the link below, guys. How is it, man?
We've only had 2 people die so far. And
Ooh.
we've only been open for 3 days.
That's really good. That's not bad.
And the only people that have thrown up have been drunk people.
Alright, guys, see y'all soon.
You'll never know if you don't go. You'll never shine if you don't glow. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the show on, get paid. And all that glitters is gold. Only shooting stars break the mold.
We are next. Are you guys excited? This one finally decided to go on. You excited? I'm excited, guys. I'm ready to go on this thing, man. We are next. We right in front, right in front. I'm excited, y'all. So yeah, let's go, guys. Yo, we are up here, guys. Oh my God, this shit is going so fast. Oh my gosh. I don't want to record us right now. Yo, if my phone falls, bro. Yo, this shit is high, bro. Yo, this shit is high, bro. This is crazy. Look at this. Woo! Woo! that. Crazy. You had a good time?
It wasn't as bad as I thought.
If you guys are in Orlando, come check out this ride, man. Hey, yo, let's go. Yo, that shit was hot. I was afraid I was gonna drop my phone. I was literally holding my phone like this. All right, guys, we're gonna rate this ride for you guys right now. Rate this.
I rate it a 9 because it was so high.
You were the most nervous about this ride. Tell her congrats in the comments because, like, I'm really proud of my daughter. Do you rate this ride?
I give it an 8.
I give it a 10.
A 10?
Yeah.
I honestly give it like a 9.5 only because it was so short. Everything else was awesome.
Oh,
What do you rate this ride?
An 8 because it was too short.
You just said you give this ride an 8.
8.5.
So
It's
you're
my
telling
rating.
me. You're telling
Oh! They usually argue like this all the time. Everyone has their own opinion, so it's okay. Just stop. I feel like the going up part took a minute, and then spinning took a minute, and then
And
coming
then
down
going
took a minute. So basically, you get a minute just being up there swinging. I just feel like it
For
should be a good
$12,
3
I
minutes.
think-
All right, guys, we'll see y'all later. Peace. Hey, yo,
Let's go.
let's go. Now look how packed and crazy it is. Oh, they got the train going right now. That's dope. Sometimes I have a child mentality, like I would want to do something like that. So freaking loud. You guys want to walk around over here? You recording?
I'm doing boomerangs.
Boomerangs, what is that? Nice. Now do a backflip. Do a backflip.
Can't do that.
Hi guys, I just met somebody over here. She is cool, man. I'm talking to her like we know each other. But I asked her about the device she has because I need something to record my vlogs. Because right now I'm just literally holding my phone from my hand. I'm out here to enjoy herself by herself, and that is awesome. You know, that's awesome. You want to shout out your Instagram or anything?
Sure, it's Ceci, CECI _ Arano Funes, ARANOFUNES. Sorry, it's long.
Okay, my email is super long.
Mine.
Like, I need to change my emails, so don't feel bad. But yeah, guys, her Instagram will be in the description below. Guys, go check her out. Yeah, it was nice meeting you.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah. All right, guys. Hey, yo, let's go, yo. I'm just gonna show you guys this beautiful view, guys. Look at this, man. This is freaking awesome, guys. Look at this. People having fun, enjoying their time, enjoying, you know, life, man. That's how it is, bro. You gotta enjoy life. Don't let anybody tell you different. Enjoy yourself, enjoy your life, and enjoy who you are. That's all. And enjoy this time lapse I'm gonna give to you guys. Hey, yo, let's go. Yo guys, this Michael Jackson like figure, whatever, just wax, whatever thingy-majigger. This is so creepy, guys.
What the fuck? Stop playing. What the fuck? Stop playing. What the fuck is that? Ah! What the fuck is that?
All right, guys, we're actually going to leave right now. We don't know if we're gonna go out to eat. When I'm at home, I'm not a big eater. I tend to not eat too much. This one is, she'll eat the whole freaking house. Guys, challenge is coming soon because this one can eat, man. We're gonna get like a big bowl of freaking cereal and have him eat the whole freaking thing, man. Like, he can eat, like, he can survive off of cereal.
You need some milk.
But yeah, guys, we're gonna go to my car now, and yeah, we're heading there now. So yeah, hey yo, let's go, yo. Guys, the one thing that I love about my car is that how I can just turn it on from my key, man. Like, I love it. It's just how I can just turn it on from my key. It's just freaking awesome. Hey yo, let's go. Look at that, I love it. I love it, guys. Get yourself a freaking car that can do that. Yeah, guys, get yourself a Mustang, man. Mustangs are freaking awesome. If not, get yourself a different car. Whatever you guys can afford, man. It's not about what you get. It's about how happy you are to get what you can get, you know? So, hey, yo.
Let's go.
do these motherfucking texts. Ain't saying nothing but the same shit.
We are back, you guys. I'm just letting my kids out of the car right now. I have to like park it in the middle of the street and then let them out. But yeah, guys, gonna go in and cook, and yeah, I'll say bye to you guys in the vlog soon. That's the Ayo gang whip. I'm about to lock it up and head inside. We're just gonna end the night here. But yeah, I had fun, guys. Like, honestly, like, it was pretty freaking cool. It's good for a one-time ride, guys, and that is it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. We have a few things coming up. It's gonna be a $20 Ross challenge. We're all gonna have $20, and we're gonna see if we can buy something in there for $20. It has to be a shirt, pants, some type of shoes, like flip-flops or something. And I personally think that it is possible.
Yeah.
Personally, my wife thinks it's not possible, but I think it's possible, to be honest. My dogs just came in. This is Timber. What's up, bud? Say hi to the Ayo gang. What's up? Look at this one getting all jealous. That's our Slinky dog. Say hi, Slinky. Also, I have a new puppy. Bought him for my wife. An expensive dog. Say hi to the Ayo gang. His name is Ocean, guys. Freaking love him so much. He's so cute. Oh, tell you not to kiss my mouth, man. No. This was my second vlog ever. Did this for you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying my channel and all my new content. But all I gotta say now is, Ayo.
Let's go!